Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart, working with place value relationships with a problem related to TEKS 4.2b, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need to find two correct answers in which we find a number or a representation of a number in which the digit 6 has the value of 1/10, 6 times 1/10. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a place value chart, and looks like my numbers do go to the hundredths. So I'm just going to make it go to the hundredths as well. And I'm just going to write all these numbers in here. So I've got my tenths, I got my hundredths. It looks like my whole numbers go up to the thousands. So I'm just going to write my values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, and here are my thousands. Now what I'm looking for is 6 times 0.1, or 6 in the tenths place, 6/10. So I'm going to put a box around this. That is my goal. It could be any digit in any of the other place values. I just simply need a 6 in the tenths place. Okay, so this first one, 6.2, 6 and 2/10. Well, let's look at that. 6 and 2/10. Obviously, the 6 is in the incorrect spot, so that's fairly easy. All right, so now I've got word form. So if I want to, I can go ahead and just write some place value names here, ones, tens. If it makes you feel a little bit better, you might not need to get past the hundreds. We can go ahead and just fill it out hundredths. Make sure you get your THS there. And this is your thousands. You might be able to do it without this, but this 47 is going to be 4 tens, 7 ones, which doesn't matter. You're looking for that 6 in the tenth spot, 47 and 6 tenths. So look, I've got a 6 in the tenth spot, which means this is one of my answers. Now I've got expanded notation, so that's where my place value is going to be helpful with the value of each digit written out in numbers. So 6 times 1,000, so that's going to be 6,000. 2 times 10. 4 times 0.01, that's 4 hundredths. Now in this case, we can put zeros in this spaces because expanded notation includes everything that is not 0. And as you can see, this has got a 6 in the thousands place, not a 6 in the tenths place, so nowhere near being correct. All right, this fourth one is 4.06. 4 and 6 hundredths. So we put that there. You notice my 6 is close. It's at least a decimal, but it's the wrong decimal. I need it in the tenths place, not the hundredths place, so it is not that one either. Let's try this expanded notation. 5 times 10 plus 3 times 1 plus 6 times 0.1, or 6 times 1/10. There we go. I've got my 6 in the tenths place. So I think this is correct, but in order to verify, we've still got one more left that we need to make sure is incorrect. And if that sixth one is correct, then we messed up somehow. So 19, all right, so 19 is going to be 110, 9 ones. And, ooh, it's got a 6, but it's 16 hundredths. Okay, so this is how we're going to build it. This hundredths, whenever you say the name of a place value in word form, the name said is as far right as it goes. So we're going to go all the way over here to the hundredths. So within the hundredths and the last digit being the hundredths, I need to build this number 16. So to build 16, I've got to go over 1. I've got to put a 1 here, and I've got a 6 here. So that's how we build numbers in decimals. The name of the place value stated is the final digit, and then you kind of build everything to the left. So there's my 19 and 16 hundredths. You see that's in the wrong spot. So these are my answers.